Good morning, I am Berta Karapetyan from School Products Yarn Shop in New York, and today I will be tutoring on I-cord for finishing. I don't do much of an I-cord by its own, but I love doing that as a finishing on the garments. I-cord for finishing. I love finishing my jackets and blankets with I-cord. I don't use I-cord by itself, but I do use a lot for the finishing because I think that it looks very, very professional when it's finished with an I-cord. So today I'm going to show you how I use it for finishing the garment. You can use it on one side of the garment, or actually you can go around and use it on four sides, basically interrupted. Your I-cord will go over one side, then it will go over picked up stitches here, then open stitches here. It's good to do the provisional cast on for something that you will do the I-cord later because you need open stitches. Okay, so here I already have a little bit knitted for demonstration. This side are live stitches, and this side I picked up stitches from the side. So what we're going to do is first we will cast on 3 stitches. We need 3 stitches for the I-cord. And then we will start. I'm using the contrasting color just to be able to show it easier. First, we purl 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll start our I-cord. So you need the first stitch, then you need the second stitch, then you need the last stitch and the first stitch together. Then you return all 3 stitches back to the left needle, and you need them again. 1, 2, and the third one, see, I have to slip, put them back and knit them. That's how they should sit on the needle. Then you return them back to the left needle and continue doing that all the time. 1, 2, slip, back, and knit them together. Go back. We will be working for a while because I have to show you what to do with the corners. Corners are a little different from everything else. So slip, back on the needle, knit them together. Here I'm using the same needle size as I was using for the garment. Usually I use slightly smaller, maybe one size smaller needle because you want your I-cord to be pretty tight, not terribly tight, but nice and tight. So you keep going like this. Knit the first, knit the second, slip, knit them together, and keep going to the end. Okay, so we're getting to the end of it, and I really want to show you how to make a nice corner. It's really simple. All you have to do is to knit 3 times in the corner. So you will do So you will go 1, 2, 3. Then you will return it back to the needle and you will do it again. 1, 2, and 3. Return it back and again 1, 2. And the last time you will go on this side and continue this side. Slip, slip, knit, and you will continue as is established before, and that will allow you to have a very nice corner. It turns very nicely. So you can see here the corners turn and there is no tension there at the corner. So here is how we turn the corners, and that's the only thing you have to know, that you will put 3 times going back and forth with a corner, and the rest is going to go exactly like that. So just remember that all the stitches, they have to be either on the double pointed needles or for ends, or you can use long circular needle to do the I-cord for the finishing. Blankets look absolutely fantastic when they're finished with the same color. Here, the white color is showing, but we usually do it very nicely and tightly so it doesn't show. You can see that my I-cord was done on pretty small needles and nothing showing through. So that's it.